So guys, welcome to this tutorial and uh, let's just go to login fragment for a bit. And we had already copied this, so I just want to tell you that this onStart method is making sure that once if the user is authenticated, then uh, it straight takes you to all goals fragment. It does not show you the login fragment, so just to make a note of it. Okay, anyway, so we have goals in the Firestore and now we have to display those goals. Okay, so first of all we'll work on a little bit of our MVVM, or we should work, okay, let's just work on the MVVM first. And this is our repository, so we'll create FirebaseAuth. Let's just create the instance right away. Firestore instance, string user ID, and what do we need here is, okay, and let's just create a method, public void get all goals. So okay, and let's create an interface here. Get goals void list goal model list. Okay, and I guess maybe this is outside of this or not. Okay, okay, perfect, and we will just get this interface here, and depend our repository on this. Okay, perfect. And now here what we do is we jump right away to goal and user ID. Of course we have to uh, add snapshot listener. Okay, good. So we have to get the user ID first. So FirebaseAuth, wait, user ID, FirebaseAuth, get current user, get UID. Let's get rid of this. Okay, perfect. And what else have we got here? Yeah, so now we want to fetch all the goals, so therefore we are not searching by document, but we are just whatever is present in this collection we are displaying. So what we do here is, for first of all we'll take one list. Okay, let's take one list, goals model, and let's maybe initialize it also. And goals model list dot clear, because we want to clean it, otherwise it will add goals twice, and twice every time it will load. So make sure that document snapshots ds value dot get documents, if value is not null. So let's just take this whole block of for loop inside in here. Okay, what's gonna happen is goals model, let's just name it model, ds to object goal model dot class, and goals model dot add, we are going to add this model into that list. And now let's get that interface. So that interface is get goals interface get goal list, and we have to pass a list in that because there is a list in here. So this is it for our repository, and let's go to our view model. So this extends the view model. Okay, there's nothing wrong with this statement, but I just actually, due to the name of this is uh, we will change the name of this to similar spellings, and okay, view model, and like let's make sure that in our all goals fragment this is not wrong. And I hope this works now. Yeah, so this is working now because we are extending the view model class to the view model. Okay, let's go back to our view model, and here what we have to do is take a mutable live data list goal model, mutable live data, mutable live data. Okay, perfect. So we'll take our repository and create an instance of it, because this constructor is dependent on this interface. So this implements that. So this method comes from there, and public void get goal, and okay, so here repo get all goals method will run, and what happens is here is public live data list goal model get list of goals. I'm just having a little bit trouble of with naming this, and we return here the mutable live data, and lastly mutable live data set value is goal model list. So now if all goes well, the last step would be to create this adapter, recycler view dot adapter, and class goal holder extend view holder, and we can say it here goal holder. Okay, perfect. So now let's just try to implement the methods. Okay, perfect. We are here. So this crap, I have to get rid of it. And now what do we have? We have like couple of things here. So first of all, we will just view layout inflator from parent get context inflate. So we have all goal list layout for this one. Our all goal list parent false, and let's just return new goal holder and view. Okay, perfect. Now what do we have here is goal list dot size, because I have not so this is here. You're getting the list, and we have two text views, goal name, goal amount. Let's try to okay, and goal amount, view, find view by ID. So if I go in here and see goal name and total amount, okay, this is the name that I have given to this. Oh, total amount. Goal name is going to be goal name. Okay, and one more thing is going to happen here is we implement view on click listener on that, because we need this. So I'm just doing it right away. And even if we click on goal name, set on click listener, or we click goal amount, set on click listener, the click should work. And here we come in by holder, and we take goal name set text and goal list get position. So get goal name, and same goes for goal amount, get goal total amount. And if we go to our all fragment right now, and let's try to set layout manager, linear layout manager get context, and the view model that we have gotten here is, let's work on that too. View model, get goal list of goals, observe, get view lifecycle owner, observer, and we just simply get another list, goals model. I'm not doing much explaining here because this is quite like, this should be quite explanatory because I have done this like so many times. But this is very simple. If you're building apps like this is very simple kind of Android development happening here. Okay, okay, maybe let's just get rid of this and come in here, and we have to create one more method here. Public void set goal list goal model, goal list, this goal list, and we go back to our old fragment and get our adapter also initialized. Where is the recycler view? M adapter new goal adapter, and yeah, in here we might need to M adapter set goal is goal model, recycler view set adapter, M adapter. Let's try to run our app and see if we can see the goals. Okay, perfect. So we are able to see our goals, and I think that's it for this tutorial because this is also 15 minutes. And in the next one, we will just work on like, clicking on it, and this progress we will deal with like at the very end. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's work on like, going like clicking on it and all that. Okay, see you in the next one.